They said this Ferrari F40 was gone forever, hidden inside an abandoned garage, buried under dust, rust, and years of silence. But legends don't die. Watch as this forgotten icon is stripped down, rebuilt by hand, and brought back to life piece by piece. Every bolt, every panel, every detail restored. Wow. From a broken relic to one of the most legendary supercars ever made. And when that engine wakes up again, you'll understand why some machines are timeless.